watches it gently for a whole happy hour. C is for car, rolling down the lane. Millo drives it slowly in the soft warm rain. D is for dolphin, splashing in the sea. Millo claps and giggles, shouting, swim with me. E is for eagle, soaring up so tall. Millo points upwards, saying, don't fall. F is for firefly, glowing in the night. Millo catches one softly, what a magical sight. G is for garden, full of colors so bright. Millo waters the flowers with pure delight. H is for horse, trotting proud and strong. Millo rides along, humming a song. I is for ice cream, melting fast and sweet. Millo licks it quickly before it drips on his feet. J is for jump rope, swinging round and round. Millo jumps happily without touching the ground. K is for koala, hugging a big tree. Millo hugs it too, shouting, just like me. L is for lamp, glowing soft and warm. Millo turns it on before the storm. M is for mountain, tall and blue. Millo climbs halfway, shouting, I can do it too. N is for nighttime, with stars shining bright. Millo waves at the moon before saying good night. O is for owl, calling hoot, hoot, hoot. Millo copies the sound in his cutest pursuit. P is for parrot, talking all day long. Millo repeats the words, he rarely gets them wrong. Q is for quack, from a duck in the lake. Millo quacks back, what fun sounds they make. R is for rocket, blasting through space. Millo cheers loudly, what a race. S is for snowman, built round and tall. Millo adds a hat, so it won't fall. T is for turtle, walking slow and sweet. Millo matches its steps with tiny feet. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. Millo pets the sparkles with pure delight. Millo stays far back at the safest spot. W is for windmill, spinning with grace. Millo runs around trying to match its pace. X is for X-ray, showing bones inside. Millo marvels at the shape so wide. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Millo plays and giggles all over town. Z is for zoo, full of animals to see. Millo waves at each one happily.